Sailing through English, under sail, explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, under sail. It's a term that carries the essence of adventure and history within it, and you might encounter it in literature, movies, or conversations about sailing. So, grab your captain's hat, and let's set sail into the language. The phrase, under sail, directly refers to a ship in motion that is being propelled by sails. The sails are large pieces of fabric attached to the mast of a sailboat or ship that catch the wind, which in turn moves the vessel through the water. Historically, under sail was used to describe ships that were underway and not anchored, docked, or powered by oars or engines. In a more metaphorical sense, it conveys a sense of freedom and progress powered by natural forces. Let's look at how to use under sail in a sentence. This will help you understand its application and feel more confident using it in conversation or writing. Literal use: the harbor was beautiful, with dozens of boats under sail. Figurative use: after years of planning, their business is finally under sail. It's important to note the phrase can also be used in various contexts, highlighting the journey of something that is just beginning or progressing smoothly. The phrase, under sail, is not just for sailors, it's also found in literature and media. Authors and screenwriters use it to evoke imagery of adventure, travel, and exploration. When you come across this phrase while reading or watching a film, the writer is often pointing to an expedition or voyage that is dependent on the wind, a force of nature, which can be unpredictable and thrilling. Understanding related nautical expressions can deepen your comprehension of under sail and enrich your English vocabulary. Set sail, to begin a voyage. Sail through, to accomplish something with ease. Trim the sails, adjusting the sails for optimal speed and efficiency. These phrases are useful in both literal and metaphorical expressions about managing and navigating through life or challenges. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, under sail. We hope you now have a better understanding of this poetic and historical term. It's a beautiful example of how English can take inspiration from the sea and give us language that moves beyond its literal meanings. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and may all your English learning adventures be smooth sailing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you next time.